Our first encounter, I saw him sa corridor ng UST. Nakikita ko siya pag naglalakad siya sa corridor. Mukhang nerd eh, kasi nakasalamin naman kapal. Sabi ko, class ko siya. Class ko yung guy na yun.
Actually, I was shooting since I was 12 years old, and that started my interest in photography. First time ko siya nakita, we were riding a jeep. He was wearing a miniskirt, so I was examining her from head to toe. Sabi ko, sexy man itong babae ito. Pwede kaya magiging girlfriend ko kaya ito? Pwede rin siguro pakasalan ito.
Years ago, magkasama kami sa Vatican.
I think that was 1970. Nilapitan siya ng mga friends, yung mga classmates ko.
Until I finally got to meet her, nalaman ko na crush daw niya ako. Crush din pala niya ako, pinakilala ako.
Today, the greatest day of my life, I'm so happy, grateful, and thankful to God for reaching this milestone.
Happy anniversary, Mama and Lolo.
Hi, Mama and Lolo. From your favorite grandchildren, we just wanted to wish you a happy 50th anniversary.
I'm so glad, I'm so happy that you decided to celebrate your golden anniversary.
Thank you for everything you have given us, for raising us up.
Thank you for your love and support. I hope one day John and I reach 50 years, just like you guys.
Love.
Yung kakagatin.
Bigil.
For Manny and Nini, love is a daily decision. Nung araw ng kanilang kasal, nangako sila sa isa't isa, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health. Pero ang tunay na kahulugan ng pangakong yon ay nasusubok sa pagdaan ng panahon. Every day, for 50 years, they kept saying, ikaw pa rin. At yan ang tunay na pag-ibig.
We complement each other, we support each other. Lahat ng differences, na-accept namin. The weaknesses, we accepted all of those. But of course, my family is not perfect. Wala naman perfect. But my married life, it's almost perfect.
I prayed to God before to give me the right woman to be my wife. And He did. And I'm happy. God gave me Nini. And for that time, I'm so grateful.